Hello, welcome to the channel. I teach you a grammar trick. It's a very easy trick and this help you to how to use the grammar correctly. Here we have one sentence. The sentence here, the one of the boys are late. This sentence is, when we reading, is a wrong sentence. They sound wrong when simplified. And its correct is here, one of the boys is late. How to use this sentence grammatically correct? I teach you a trick, very simple trick. Here we have the sentence, one of the boys are late. It's looking wrong, and I show you the trick. The trick here, remove one of from the sentence. Remove one of from the sentence. The sentence we remove the boys are late. The boys are late. When you're reading this one now, after removing one of, the sentence is correct. The boys are late. But when we complete reading all the sentence, that time is wrong because boy is only one. But now remove of the boy. The of the boy, this part, of the boys. When we remove this part of the boy, the sentence left is one are late. The still is not correct because the boy is one, and for one we using the singular, that's the each, and are for the plural. And here sentence, the one is late, not are. The one boy is late. We're removing the of the boys from the sentence, and when we're reading here, one are late, but are is for plural and each for the singular. The boy is only one, not many. Therefore, correct sentence is, we read here, one is late. So when we reading this whole sentence, the sentence will be here, one of the boy is late. That is the correct one. This very easy trick you can apply in grammar, and you know how to use grammar correctly. This is the grammar trick. Hope you find it best for you. Give a like and subscribe the channel as well.